Valuation of shares, our new chapter. Determination of fair value of shares of a limited company, limited liability company is a challenging task. The value of shares of a company depends on a number of factors such as nature of share, right of shareholder attached with share, general reputation, efficiency, profitability, and liquidity position of the concerned company. Other factors which also influence the value of equity shares of a company are market share of production and services of company, experience and ability to managerial team of the company, opportunities and constraint of for the company in the national and international economy, etc. Company's ability to initiate and innovate new idea for continuous development of new technology deals with change in customers behavior and competition in the business environment are also key factors. There are compelling reasons to accept the phenomenon of uncertainty of in future and its impact on companies profitability in the main factor to influence the value of share. It must be kept in mind that valuation of share of any other valuable assets can be made only in the reference to a specific point of time. The shares of company are broadly classified into two types, preference shares and equity shares. The holder of preference shares generally having two preferential rights in comparison to equity shareholders. The rights are preferential rights to regarding payment of dividend and preferential right regarding refund of capital in the event of liquidation. The rate of dividend on preference shares is generally fixed or predetermined. The rate of dividend on equity shares depends on the company's position of profitability, liquidity, as well as the future business need and policies of management. If a company earns high profit in the particular year, then it is not necessary that in future it will also be high and vice versa. So we can conclude that the evaluation of equity shares is affected by a number of factors. The shares of large seized public limited company are generally found listed on recognized one or more stock exchange. Transaction of scale and purchase of shares of limited companies are continuously carried out on the recognized stock exchange, and the information about the share price, quotations, and their quantitative movements are regularly reported online or through TV and newspapers. It is important to note that the stock exchange price of purchase sale transaction of shares and other securities are highly influenced by instant demand, supply, hope, fear, gas, and speculation activities of participants. Hence, the price that are quoted in respect of stock exchange transactions are not by and large suitable for the fair valuation of shares. Second topic of our lecture is need for valuation of shares. Valuation of shares is considered necessary in the prescribed situation. First situation for unquoted shares. When the shares of company are either not listed or if listed they are not actively traded on any stock exchange, then it becomes necessary to ascertain the value of shares of such a company so as to determine the sale exchange transaction price of unlisted shares. Okay, then second, for drafting scheme of amalgamation. When two or more companies are being amalgamated, then the purchasing company, transferee company issued its share to vendor, transferor company or vendor company. Okay. Therefore, valuation of shares of all those companies who are exchanging amalgamation, it becomes necessary to determine value of such companies so as to fix purchase consideration. Okay. Third one is on conversion of shares. When one type of shares or debenture of a company are converted into another type of share, valuation of share is necessary. Okay, to settle the claim or of dissenting shareholders. When a company is to be reconstructed or amalgamated and some of its shareholders are not in favor of it, valuation of share become necessary so as to settle the claim of dissenting shareholders. Okay, the next is on acquisition or takeover a company or companies. When one or more companies are acquired or taken over by another, then while formulating the plan of acquisition takeover, it is necessary to ascertain the value of shares of target company. To appraisal of a true financial position. When any person is interested to know the true financial position of a company, valuation of its share is necessary, especially if shares of that are not regularly quoted in the stock market. Okay. Next, for valuation of assets of finance or investment or true company. Trust company. Okay. When a finance or investment or trust company wants to ascertain the actual value of its assets in the investment, it has to find the value of its investment in shares on the basis of performance of investees companies. Okay, the next one is when loan is taken given on the security of shares. When a company deposits its share as security margin with a financial institution for obtaining loans and advances, it is necessary to ascertain the value of shares so deposited for the purpose of calculating the security margin. Last one is appraisal by the shareholder himself. When a shareholder wants to know the true and fair market value of shares held by him, he can get his holding in shares evaluated.